Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 8th CBSE Maths Factorization exercise 14.2. In that second subdivision we are going to see in this video. Let's see the question. Factorize 63a square minus 112b square. Here there is one square and there is one square in between a minus sign, but this is not a perfect square. Perfect square means this is not a whole square. If it is a whole square, we have a formula of a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. If it is in the format, we can write it like this way. If the question is given, we can write the answer. But here, it is not a perfect square. Perfect square means if it is a whole square only, we can able to solve this. If it is 64, we can write it to be 8a the whole square. Because of 64, we know that 8 into 8 is 64. But here it's 63 and 112. We can't solve by this method, this identity, and there is no, we can't do factorize anymore. Here, in factorization, we know that taking common is the first rule of a factorization. So in 63 and 112, we need to check what is the common factor. So do prime factorization for 63. It goes in 3 tables, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Again it goes in 3 tables, 3 7s are. Same way, let me try with 102. It goes in 2 tables of the last number 2. So 2 5s are 10, balance 1, write it here. 2 6 are 12, again it goes in 2 tables. 2 2s are 4, balance 1, this becomes 16, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 1s are 2, 4, so 2 7s are. Here, common term in both the value is 7. So taking 7 outside, here it becomes 7 9s are 63, so 9a square minus, here for 112, taking common outside, we have 2 2s are 4, 4s are 16, 16b square inside. Now this can be written in whole square because we know that 9 and 16 are the perfect squares. So this can be written as a whole square. So 7 into 3a the whole square minus 4b the whole square. Only when it is a whole square we can format this form. Remember that this should be a whole square, not only a, the whole thing will be a whole square. Now we know that for a we have 3a here, for b we have 4b here. So writing in this format is 7 into a minus b. We need to write it as a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b is this 3a plus 4b, a plus b. Because of a we have 3a and for b we have 4b into 3a minus 4b. This will be your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.